Importing audio files into BandLab on a laptop is a straightforward process. This tutorial walks through the steps to upload beats or other audio files to the platform for use in new projects. Steps to import beats on laptop. First, navigate to bandlab.com on your laptop and sign in to your account. Once logged in, locate the red Create button at the top right corner of the page and click it. From the drop-down menu, select Create an Empty Project. The project editor will begin loading on your laptop, and within a few seconds, a new blank project will open. To import beats or any audio file on your laptop, look for the area that displays the prompt, Import Audio MIDI. Click on it to open your laptop's file browser. Navigate to the location on your laptop where your beat files are stored. Select the desired file and click Open. The file will upload and appear in the project timeline on your laptop. Conclusion: once the file has been imported on your laptop, it becomes available for editing, arrangement, or mixing within the BandLab project. This method works for audio files stored locally on your laptop.